Hi, I'm John from Unmake. I create and facilitate workshops to help teams build better products faster. And ironically enough, I'm pretty much failed accountancy in school. Unmake is a do-it-with-you agency. Recent global impacts have challenged organisations to re-evaluate their processes, their product or service, and even their business model. So we make decision-making clearer so these businesses can make and unmake markets. One of the reasons why I chose Sage Accounting is that I wanted an accounts platform that connects in with the Irish tax system. With my previous accounts package system, I had to work around it. But what I really like about Sage is that it works with you. It's quick, it's intuitive, and for something that I use every day, it's completely frictionless. Our clients learn how to make decisions faster, and they align their teams with real focus. Leave the workshops energized with actionable solutions to get started on. I really couldn't live without the profit and loss compare. It's really important that I have visibility and easy access to my monthly targets. Operationally, it has allowed me to access my accounts on the go. When we're with clients off-site, it's really important to me that I can access those accounts and I can invoice or set purchases based on things coming in. I always like to be on top of my accounts, and the mobile app allows you to do that from anywhere. There's also the automations such as reoccurring transactions. Now I can set them up once and I don't have to do anything else. And finally, I can give my accountant access to my end of year accounts online. Before, I would have had to generate my accounts and export all the PDFs to my accountant, and that's a lot of time saved. My business means to me motivation, connection, and freedom. So as the business grows, it may move to a do-it-yourself model where I would have automatic customers. So more customers means more transactions, but with Sage, it shouldn't mean any more work for me.